Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake boost. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your preferred ice cream, half a cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of your chosen boost. This boost could be anything from protein powder for an energy kick, to fresh fruit for added vitamins, or even a spoonful of creamy nut butter for extra richness. Make sure everything is well chilled to achieve that perfect, thick milkshake texture. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a delicious boost. Carefully pour your 1 cup of ice cream, half cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of boost ingredient into your blender. Begin blending on a low setting to incorporate everything, then slowly increase the speed to medium. Blend for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy. Be careful not to overblend, as this can thin out your milkshake. One of the best parts about making a milkshake boost is the endless customization options. Feel free to add a dash of vanilla extract or a spoonful of cocoa powder for extra flavor depth. For delightful texture, top your creation with a swirl of whipped cream, some delicate chocolate shavings, or a sprinkle of crunchy chopped nuts. A drizzle of rich caramel or decadent chocolate syrup can also elevate both the taste and presentation. Experiment with various fruit combinations to discover your new favorite. Your delicious milkshake boost is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the freshly blended mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra touch, add a colorful straw and any remaining toppings you desire, like a cherry or a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's best to serve and savor your homemade, customized milkshake boost immediately to experience its optimal creamy texture and refreshing taste. This simple recipe makes one generous serving, perfect for a quick and satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.